Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a surprise here. This is purchased off of my own dumb behalf, but nevertheless, this is what I'm going to introduce y'all. Ready? The Mavic Mini. Alright, so this is the Mavic Mini, and let's see here. This Mavic Mini is one of the drones that is a special drone, because this drone is a lightweight entry-level drone, and this is made from DJI. DJI makes gimbals, they make obviously drones and whatnot, a bunch of cool stuff, and I'm basically gonna be doing an unboxing, and we're gonna get to it. So let's do this. So I purchased this from actually I purchased it off the streets, off of OfferUp. I got a good deal on it, that's why I purchased it. But anyways, you can get these on Amazon. I'll be posting a link on this, and we'll show you some specs and whatnot here. I'm going to go ahead and open. This is sealed, by the way, which is good. Oh, this is the very first unboxing of it. It's got a bunch of something, whatever, blah blah. It's got a QR code here, which makes me believe that this is a genuine product. DJI, this is the real DJI stuff. Now, I heard there's fakes out there, but supposedly this looks real. Let's see what this is. Oh, this looks like the propeller guards. That's what I'm guessing. And we have, what else do we have? This looks like the power brick. Some paper stuff in here. And it looks like we have batteries shipped here. This is pretty cool. Got some silica gel here to keep things dry. Anyways, let's start opening the stuff real quick here. So this got really nice packaging, and I always appreciate companies that package very well. It makes it a pleasant experience to open it and make sure you have a good unpackaging experience. And so maybe trying to. Yeah, a power brick that we all have tons of. And let's see, what else is this? Of course, some Mavic Mini stuff here. Nothing that really looks useful. Let's go ahead and open the case. And this is a pretty, not a hard case, but it's a hard enough case. It's a soft case that seems like it'll withhold some good pressure here, or some good impact. Here we have the actual drone itself, which is, oh, this is super light. I didn't expect for it to be this light. Obviously there's no batteries in there, but that's pretty cool. I think this is I believe this is the charger thing. Let's see. Yeah, this is where you put the batteries in there. What else do we have here? Oh, this is the controller. The controller actually weighs more than the charger, or than the drone. It feels like it. So, what else do we have here? This is a bunch of USB cables. Let's go ahead and open that so we can just basically let y'all know what's in here. We got a few cables here. This is a screwdriver here, Phillips screwdriver. This looks like this is some screws. Oh, these are the knobs for the controller. We have some USB cables here. There's probably a lightning cable somewhere here, or Type-C. Bunch of cables all over the place here. And here are, I assume this is the propellers. There's, how many of these are there? There's 2, 4. There's three sets right here. It looks like 3 sets with screws and whatnot. It's always good to have extra screws. So we don't need those right now. We don't need the cables either. So let's set this aside. Let's get to the cool stuff here. So real quick, I'm going to look at this battery charger. I just want to see what it charges at. 5 volts at 2 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 2 amps. So it looks like it's just a 2 amp charger at 5, 9, or 12 volts. Made in China, DJI. So this looks pretty legit. This looks good. The controller itself, it's got some weight to it. I like this feel. Let me see how much it weighs here. Let's move this back here so y'all can see. So let's go ahead and push the tear here. You can't see it. I'll let you know here. It's 8.6 ounces. Let's change it to grams because that's what we're going by here. Alright, so it's 244 grams. It's 244 grams right now. The DJI itself, without any batteries, sits at 156 grams. And one of the batteries, let's check it out. So we're sitting at 98 grams. So once we put DJI with one battery, mine must be out of sync here. It sits at 259. So maybe, I don't know. Mine must be out of sync because apparently this says that this is a 249 gram battery here. Let's go ahead and start removing this out of place here. There's the camera. Unfold on the front arms. Okay, let's unfold this right here. Awesome. The sleeve comes out. Number 2, unfold rear towards downward arm. So it looks like we do this, do this. That's number 2. Right there, 249. And then I believe that's it. Our charge to activate battery. Charge to activate battery for first time use. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove this sticker here. I think that's it. So let's go ahead and try to insert just the battery to see how much it weighs with the battery in place. So back to turning this on. Change the units here. 256 kilograms or grams. So like I said, mine is probably off, or I got a better battery, or I'm not too sure what exactly these are supposed to be. But that's pretty much it right now. I'm gonna be doing some what do you call it? Some stuff later on how to flying this thing. This is pretty awesome right here because look, this is like. It's got a built-in 3-axis gimbal in there. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Stick around, and then we'll show you some flying time made by DJI.
Alright, so here's a couple of the footage here. So what you're seeing here is just the interstate view here. As you can see, we're probably about, let's see, I don't know, 15 meters above the ground. So I'm shooting on a performance, a cinematic view here, which is why it looks so smooth. I mean, it's really awesome how it goes here. Just the colors themselves are just so vibrant, and I don't know, it's really fun to fly around. It makes it nice and smooth. Everything looks good. So I was just testing a couple of settings here, but let's see what I'm actually looking at my app right now, and it basically tells me kind of like a history of where I went, and the speed that I was moving, the distance that I was away. Looks like I'm coming back here. and you'll see me here at the on my way back here. So there's me coming out of the truck, and you'll see what's gonna come up next. So of course, here's my daughter here, you know, Olivia's Jungle. Subscribe to her channel, even though we're not really active on that channel anymore because of the YouTube laws. Check it out. So this is a mode here that I was trying to do automatic. It looked pretty cool at first. It's the first time me using this, and then this happened. Oh yeah, it got stuck. That's just a picture I took here in night view, and this is another picture that I took in the day view. And I just want to say thanks for watching, guys. That's me and Olivia. Till next time, later, guys. Hey guys, I'd like to thank y'all for watching and all the support. I'd like you to know that, you know, I'd really appreciate y'all. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, all that stuff. Love y'all. Till next time, guys. Laters.